Best practices for Betterment notifications is a crucial aspect of creating an effective and user-friendly experience. To start with, it is essential to understand the purpose of notifications, which is to inform and engage users about important events, updates, and activities related to their accounts. The first step is to define the types of notifications that will be sent to users, such as low balance alerts, transaction confirmations, and investment updates. It is vital to categorize notifications based on their urgency and importance to ensure that users receive the most critical information promptly. Next, it is crucial to craft clear and concise notification messages that are easy to understand and free of technical jargon. The messages should include essential details, such as the type of event, the account affected, and any necessary actions the user needs to take. For instance, a low balance alert should include the current balance, the threshold that triggered the alert, and a link to deposit funds. Another key concept is personalization, which involves tailoring notifications to individual users based on their preferences, account settings, and behavior. This can be achieved by using user data and analytics to determine the most relevant and timely notifications for each user. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to keep notifications concise, ideally under 160 characters, to accommodate various devices and platforms. Additionally, using a consistent tone and format throughout all notifications helps to establish trust and recognition with users. It is also important to provide users with control over their notification preferences, allowing them to customize the types of notifications they receive, the frequency, and the channels, such as email, SMS, or in-app notifications. This not only enhances the user experience but also helps to reduce notification fatigue. Finally, it is essential to test and refine notifications regularly to ensure they are effective and meet user needs. This involves monitoring user engagement, gathering feedback, and making data-driven decisions to optimize notification content, timing, and delivery. By following these best practices and guidelines, you can create effective and user-friendly Betterment notifications that engage and inform users, while also enhancing their overall experience and satisfaction.